What's up, guys? It's the XC60 project here today, and this is weekly update or build update number 6, a month and a half now. This weekly update is going to be shorter than last week's. It's going to probably be relatively short. Today we're going to be mostly talking about Tallahassee, what's going on with Tallahassee, and then a little bit about Lexi. I think that's it. Shout out to Mark 5 Automotive for being such an awesome shop, and shout out to KT4 Performance for sponsoring the XC60 build. So let's get this update started. So, this week started with getting new calipers on for Tallahassee on last weekend, and then and new ball joints for Tallahassee. I got the IPD ones, and this was the old ball joint. It is somewhere. Oh no, that's not it. So this was the old ball joint, one of them. This was the worst one. This was the really bad one. Wait. Yeah, this one was really bad. That's fine. So we got new rear brake caliper, front brake calipers, rotors and pads on Tallahassee. And then what happened was when I took this bolt out for the ball joint, I heard a very loud hissing noise, and this entire axle came apart. So this was junk. So then I ordered I ordered 2 new CV axles. The passenger one isn't bad. I just thought, you know what, this is a 400,000 kilometer car, so there's bound to be some wear and tear on it, so I might as well just replace both of them. They actually came out really easy, and this coming out in multiple pieces made it really easy to take off. So I went on Rock Auto and I ordered it. It was supposed to be here yesterday. As you can tell, it's not here. That one was also supposed to be here yesterday, not here. Then I get a message from DHL saying it will be here on the 12th. So Tallahassee isn't going anywhere until the 12th, and I've been driving the R, and I absolutely love that car. It's just missing one thing, and that thing is turbo noise. I really wish it made turbo noise. I was looking at a thing on kt4.com for, it comes with a bunch of piping and hoses and blow-off valve, but I thought it probably isn't worth it. As in, it's not worth it to do it to that car at the moment, especially with Tallahassee and putting in a big turbo on Lexi. So, and then I got rear brakes in as well. So I went with Brembo drilled rotors, and then I got just some Wagner pads, and then I think that's it. And the leak on Tallahassee is actually, we have deducted it to be, that's fine. The hood struts are also going out on this car, so I ordered new those. As you can tell, they're really bad. This one actually leaked out, as you can tell, there's a puddle there. But I've assumed that the oil leak is the rear cam seals, which are these two. These are the easiest ones to replace because you don't have to take off any timing gears. And how I figured that out was when I took out this axle, I went underneath the car and I looked back here, and there were a bunch of these hoses down here, and they all had a bunch of oil on them. And I was like, So then I contacted IPD and I went on the forums and I made a forum post, and it was the rear cam, and all of them said the rear cam seals. And then I looked over here and there's a bunch of crud and buildup over down here. So we're going to replace those. I ordered the parts for those. It was like $4. But yeah, that's about it for Tallahassee. I ordered tint from Vivid. It's very special, very interesting, fancy tint that is kind of very interesting is all I'm going to say. Fortunately, Vivid Vinyl is discontinuing their Wrap Coin program So they encourage everybody to spend all their wrap coins. So I bought a 7 by 5 foot roll of tint, and we're going to put it on the front and rear to see what it looks like. And then if it looks good, we'll put it on Tallahassee. Now Lexi, what's going on with Lexi? Lexi, I ordered bigger injectors, 850cc injectors, so that we can, instead of making 350 wheel horsepower with the stock injectors, we can be making 360 to 390 wheel horsepower with the 850cc injectors. Turbo is supposed to come in this week, and today's Thursday, so that means it technically should be here tomorrow. And then I'm going to go in there, take a photo of it, and see how they're doing. Then they're going to have to do all the fittings, oil, coolant fittings, make a downpipe V-band, ceramic coat it, make the manifold V-band, and then re-ceramic coat it. And then one of the charge pipes, we have to play around with some silicone adapters and stuff, I'm pretty sure. Might just remake all the charge pipes. And then it goes to the dyno for dyno day, dyno tune, where we can figure it all out. Carbon fiber hood, KT4 is designing the vents for that. That's all I know on that. That's about it, I think. Yes, that is about it for all this stuff. So there should be a new YouTube video coming sometime this weekend, and it's for engine mounts on a P3. I got a new phone, so I had to play around with a bunch of the importing stuff, and I finally got back to, and I finally found one of my YouTube videos I meant to post a long time ago. So that's going to go up this weekend, should go up this weekend. I think I'll do an installation video on the axles. And that is about it for this week. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week. Next week we might have some more news on Lexi. And this one, Tallahassee, should be running. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you like to subscribe, comment what you want to see more videos of. Please comment what you want to see more videos of, because I don't know what you guys find interesting. I do this kind of for my own personal enjoyment and because other people find it interesting. But if there's something you want to see or something you want me to show in a video, please comment it so that I can do it. But anyways, thanks. Stay tuned. Subscribe for next week's weekly update. And that's that. Thank you.